to Katie Picks. I'm back, or should I say, I never left. My Waitrose and Partners family, and today we are celebrating the relaunch of their vegan and veggie range with their fresh new packaging and 40 new chilled and frozen items. I am so excited about this. The product developers have been genius and they have sought out those contemporary solutions to plant-based eating. And we've got really exciting ingredients. So whether you are plant-based or like me, still a meat eater, but just trying to even out that balance a little bit more, we've got some really exciting stuff for you to try. Today, I'm gonna make one of my comfort food classics, and that is the fish finger sandwich. But this one is a fishless finger sandwich made with vegan mayo as well. Guys, welcome to the 21st century. Are we in the 22nd now? Let's get cooking. Today we are going to try the Crisp-crumbed Fishless Goujons. They're not your average alternative ingredients. These are made up of jackfruit, banana blossom, and oyster mushrooms. I've already eaten a box of these today, no lie. But we're gonna crack another one open. I'm simply gonna tip them onto a baking tray and cook them in the oven at 200 degrees for 14 minutes, which is the perfect amount of time to make a delicious pea puree and vegan mayo. I'm like a game show host. Vegan mayo. I've got one potato. Peel the skin off. Dice this into chunks just for speed. It's just gonna go into our pan of boiling salted water. We're gonna give that about 3 to 4 minutes, just boiling so it starts to soften. At the 3-4 minute point, you're gonna add in double the amount of peas to potato. I'm gonna eyeball this because I'm a professional. And then that's gonna continue for another 4 minutes until we're ready to remove and mash. So our peas and potatoes have cooked down perfectly. Pop it into a blender. And I'm also gonna take 3 sprigs of mint. I'm gonna add that into our peas. So if you imagine that real freshness. Come on, work with me. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little bit of chunk in there. I want some texture to it. What the potato does is it adds a thickness to your peas that you'd otherwise be missing. So you get this beautiful spread. Just a bit of seasoning and we're laughing. Next up, we're gonna make our vegan mayo. Just 4 ingredients, super simple. Grab yourself a little measuring jug. You want double the quantity of oil to soya milk. And very importantly, make sure they are the same temperature. Now, ideally, that would be using them at room temperature. I'm going to start off with my milk, a bit of soya milk, and I'm gonna weigh out 125 mils and pop it into a blender. We're then gonna take 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And then we're gonna pop our lid on, and give it a good whiz. We're then going to measure out 250 of sunflower oil. We're gonna add your oil a little by little, otherwise you're gonna get it splitting. It thickens as you whisk it and add the oil. Is that magic or is that magic? I'm just gonna make sure I season it. Oh, it's creamy, it's sharp from the vinegar. That is delicious. Our goujons are now ready, and now it's just assembly time. Montage. We're gonna take our wholemeal baps and give them a good toast up. Take a big dollop of our gorgeous pea and mint and smother it onto the base of your bap. Top it with some fresh lettuce. Next, a slither of tomato. Not necessarily what you'd expect in your fish finger sandwich, but we're throwing curveballs here, people. Next up, it's the golden crisp-crumbed Fishless Goujons. Look at them, so cute. And that vegan mayo, which I'm sorry, can you tell the difference? I can't. Smothering that on the top of the bap and sealing the deal. Ta-da! So there you go, there it is, the classic fish finger sandwich with a vegan twist. I'd be wrong not to just try these so that you can get a sense of what they're like. Look how cool that is. They're delicious. There's so much depth of flavour in there. The texture is beautiful, absolutely delicious. And you know what, really, really Moorish. Now I get to try it. Imisani. The lovely tart, sharp mayonnaise. And the textures, the soft jackfruit with that gorgeous crispy crumb on the goujons, biting through that snappy lettuce, all finished off with a lovely nutty bun. Make sure you check out the whole vegan and vegetarian range, all available on Waitrose and Partners online and in store. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you give these a go. They're absolutely delicious. Until next time. Oh my God, so good.